নমস্কাৰ এই ভিডিঅ'টিত আমি ইংৰাজী গ্ৰামাৰৰ প্ৰিপজিশনৰ 9টা প্ৰশ্ন আলোচনা কৰিম। 1 নম্বৰ দিয়া আছে he was angry dash me, ইয়াত হ'ব with, he was angry with me। 2 নম্বৰ দিয়া আছে the calculator is dash the table, এইটো হ'ব on the table। 3 নম্বৰত that man is found guilty of theft। 4 নম্বৰ দিয়া আছে your teacher is not satisfied with your work, he should take care of health, John travel by train, she jumped into well, you must beware of tigers, he has been unwell since Saturday।